Hello, this is Eric Seeger with United Country Midwest Lifestyle Properties, and I am thrilled to bring you my latest listing that you can see over my shoulder. It is just about 25 minutes south of La Crosse, Wisconsin, in the heart of the Driftless area, and it's 159 acres, dead-end road privacy with a beautiful 4-bedroom log home, an in-ground pool, a barn, and a totally renovated pole shed that's being used currently as an event venue. It's a very successful vacation rental business. It's been booked up all summer long. Whether you want a single-family home, a hunting lodge, a vacation rental investment, you name it, there's trophy class, world-class whitetails, tons of turkeys. There's 120 acres of managed forest, 30 acres of tillable. There's 2 ponds back there. It sets up amazing with a block of 4 40-acre parcels. So totally private, and hurry and contact us today for a private tour.